Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with one more video, that is review of FEDER's 3-in-1 laptop carrying kit. Here we go. This is a FEDER's 3-in-1 laptop carrying kit. In this we have one keyboard protector and one screen protector along with the laptop skin which is transparent, and it came with a sturdy packing. You can see the roll here. It came in a very sturdy, the box is very pretty hard, so the screen won't be damaged like that easily. You can see this is a skin and that one is a screen guard for laptop, and one more blue color strip is a keyboard protection silicone cover which is a waterproof and oil proof. Here you can see they gave one smart cutter, paper cutter for cutting the laptop skin. And first you can see the keyboard. I am opening it. I will show you how nice it is. It actually fits my laptop very well, and I bought it for this 15.6-inch laptop. And after this I am going to apply the laptop skin. Here I am marking the laptop measurements and cutting with the paper cutter. After that I will peel off that sticker and place it on the laptop. With the use of debit card or any credit card, you can remove the air bubbles, so that fits a laptop skin nicely. And lastly I am going to keep my keyboard protector on my laptop keyboard. See it, you can see it fits nicely to my laptop as it is for 15.6 inches. So that's for today's video guys. It is about review of FEDER's 3-in-1 laptop protecting care kit. You said 3-in-1 kit, but you showed only 2. Yes friends, I didn't apply screen guard for my laptop screen. That I will do later, and I will update in this video after I apply. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and your love and support. And one more thing guys, I wanna do laptop unboxing video. If you want that video means please let me know in comment section. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.